You are welcome to this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your YouTube channel for your law firm. In our previous video, we discussed about how to update your Instagram profile picture to your company logo. So today, we want to discuss about how to create a YouTube channel for your law firm. This is necessary for you to be able to get new clients from YouTube. Of course, you know that when people have issues, they come to YouTube. So YouTube is an avenue whereby you can get new clients. And in getting new clients, you need to have a YouTube channel where you share some knowledge with your audience, where you build audience. It is from building audience that you start getting clients. All right, so without further ado, let's show you how to create your YouTube channel. To create your YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account, and currently I already have a Gmail account. This is my Gmail account, and you need to log into your account, and preferably you want to use Chrome browser. I prefer to use Chrome browser, though there are other browsers that you can use. So all you need to do is, once you are logged in, tap on this icon, this 9 icon, tap on it, and here you see YouTube. Simply tap on YouTube, and that is where you will be able to create your channel. Okay, so here you are. You are going to give your channel a name, and preferably let it be the same name throughout. The same name you have on your Facebook page, the same name you should have on Instagram, on TikTok, across all your social media. The reason for this is so that when people are searching for your page, it will be easy for them to find your page. If the name you are bearing on different channels are different, they may not be able to find you with ease. Okay, so ensure that the name are the same. If possible, if you can get all of them the same, it is better. The only one that is difficult to get the same is Instagram, because once your Instagram username is taken, if somebody else have already taken it, you may not be able to get that same name, but there is a way you can work around it. All right, so let's give our channel a name. I want it to bear the same name as I have on Facebook, Client Magnet for Lawyers. And there you are. You see the handle. This handle also works similar to Instagram username. If somebody else have taken it, you won't be able to take it. And this handle also enable you to, it enable prospect to find you with ease. Okay, so this is it. You can see it is the same. I'm happy for this. So all I need to do now is create, and that is it. I now have a channel for my page. So all the videos I'll be sharing as far as this page is concerned, I'll be dropping it on this particular YouTube channel, and from here I'll start getting clients from YouTube, because before you get clients you need to build following, and in building following you need to create content. If you don't have any content, then there is nothing to follow you for. So that is why it is very important for you to have a YouTube channel. All right, I hope you have learned something today. On this page we discuss about how to acquire new clients, especially for lawyers. So if you are a lawyer ensure you are following me on my page, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that every time I drop videos that will help you acquire new clients, you will be notified. See you in the next video. Bye.